I plan to remove the popcorn ceiling in my home, and before doing that, I need to know if there is asbestos in the ceiling. Testing for asbestos before removing a popcorn ceiling is essential because older materials may contain asbestos fibers that become dangerous when disturbed. Knowing the result helps you decide whether it's safe to proceed yourself or if professional removal is needed. First, make sure the heating and air conditioning system is off. Here are the tools I will be using for this work: pump sprayer, asbestos home test kit, safety glasses, scraper, and P100 respirator. This respirator filters at least 99.97% of particles and forms a tight seal around the face, so it gives a high level of protection needed for this work. This asbestos home test kit is a product of Schneider Laboratories Global Incorporated. I purchased it on Amazon with $35. Gloves are included in this kit. The shipping and lab testing fee are also included in this price. There is no additional cost. Here is the shipping label for sending the sample to the lab. There is a sheet of paper with registration instructions. I also need to fill out the form at the bottom of this page. Before collecting the sealing materials, I'm going to thoroughly mist the area. Adding a tiny drop of dish soap helps the water spread and soak into the sealing texture instead of beating up. The reason for wetting the sealing is to prevent friable fibers from becoming airborne. When asbestos-containing material is dry, it's very easy to create a fine, invisible dust when scraping it. Those microscopic fibers can stay hanging in the air for hours and are dangerous to breathe in. By using water, we're essentially locking the fibers in place. The water binds the material together, making it heavy so it falls straight into our collecting container. It's the single most important step for keeping the air in the home clean. Wetting the area not only keeps dust down, it also softens the texture so the scraping is much easier. Follow the instructions to register the sample online. After registration, you will get a confirmation email with a PIN code. Fill the paperwork and put it in the kit box, together with the collected sealing material sample. Put shipping label onto the kit box. Make sure to seal the box. Then the package can be sent out. You will receive emails when Schneider Labs receive the sample and when the test results are available. The test results confirmed there is no asbestos in my popcorn ceiling. Testing was a small price to pay for the assurance that I can safely remove the texture without any health risks. Thanks for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.